With the implementation of the Web Help Desk, the process for creating a Blackboard request has changed. I'm going to walk you through the new way to make a request for Blackboard. All of the information I'm going to discuss is located on the Area 66 webpage. If you go to the webpage, area66.westside66.org, under the Tutorials tab, go down to Blackboard, and it'll say Creating a Blackboard Request using the Web Help Desk. This page will walk you through how to create a web request. The short version of how to create a web request is that all new requests will be done over email as opposed to using a weblog. You will need to use your first class email in order to create an account. If I open up my first class and I create a new message, my first step is I'm going to address that new message to Blackboard Help. If I start typing in Blackboard, I can look and I can see Blackboard Help is one of the options. That's what I'm going to select. In the subject line, you're going to put a brief statement about your request. For example, please enroll French 5 or disable access to English 8. In this case, I'm going to say, please enroll U.S. History Semester 2. Now, in the main body of the email, this is where you're going to need to put all the relevant information. The more detailed you are and the more complete your information, the more time it'll save by eliminating follow-up emails, and that'll allow the request to be completed quicker. There are 4 required elements that you need to put in here, and they're listed on the Blackboard help site. Those are the request type, and I have some examples here of request types. It could be enroll the whole class and delete the previous students, enroll the whole class and keep previously enrolled students, and you can see some of the other ones that are there. The second required one is the name of the class, and that's going to be the Power School name and the Power School number. And so, for example, that might be U.S. History Semester 2, 1926. Now, you can find that information by going to the Class Content tab on the Power Teacher Gradebook application. The third required bit of information is the Blackboard course name. This is the name that shows up under the My Classes list when you log into Blackboard, and it might be different than the actual class name. In the last bit of information is any detailed information or anything that would be helpful, such as please don't enroll until January 15th, or please enroll all students for all teachers in this class. So what does that look like? Well, if I'm creating an email, I might go enroll the whole class and delete old students. Class, U.S. History, Semester 2, 1926. I'll go Blackboard course name. And then my option here, I might give some extra info like please enroll all U.S. history students for all teachers. That lets me know that this is a team taught class, and I need to not just look for students that have Matt Lee as a teacher, but also have any other U.S. history teacher. That's it. I'll go ahead and I'll hit send, and then it'll spell check it, and so you'll fix your spelling, and then that'll submit a request to the Web Help Desk. You'll also see when you get that back, you'll get an email here that says your request has been submitted, and it'll say the request detail, it'll say who reported it, the tech that it's been assigned to, and then the status that says open, and then that'll get updated once I get the request fulfilled, and you'll get another email once it's been completed. So once again, if you have any questions about the new method of creating a request in Blackboard, simply go to the Area 66 webpage, go to Tutorials, select Blackboard, and you'll be able to download a PDF that you can save or reference the web version here of things required to submit a Blackboard request. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can email me, Matt Lee, on First Class. Thank you.